Ever wonder why some dental crowns are better friends with MRI machines than others? Let's dive in. If you have a root canal, you usually need a crown to protect your tooth. Crowns can be made from different materials like metal, ceramic, or the latest favorite, zirconia. But did you know that kind of crown you have can impact your MRI experience? Metal crowns might be strong, but they come with some baggage because metal is ferromagnetic. It can cause problem during a MRI scan. Think about loosening, pain, or even noisy artifacts messing up your scan results. Based on the area of interest for MRI, metal crowns can be acrylic splinted, removed, or retained while taking MRI scan. Now let's talk about zirconia crowns. They become super popular and for good reasons. Zirconia is not only better looking and easier to maintain, but it also has smooth margins which stay clean and sharp free over time. And the best part, zirconia is not magnetic, so it won't interfere with your MRI scans. That means no pain, no loosening, no noisy surprises. Just a clean and hassle-free scan. So next time your dentist suggests a crown after root canal, remember zirconia crowns are not just about aesthetic and maintenance. They're also making sure that medical scans are smooth and easy. Always choose a crown that does not fit your tooth but also fit for your overall health. Don't forget to like and share this video.